Hi! Today we're going to talk about how we tend to be disconnected from our bodies and how you can become more aware of your body and therefore enhance your leadership presence. How do you relate to your body at work? Do you relate to it at all? Or have you forgotten that it's there? Or maybe you see it as an obstacle because it doesn't look like, it doesn't behave the way you would like it to. Many of us are more or less disconnected from our bodies, at work or outside work. Imagine if you could become more aware of your body, to start collaborate with it and access the intelligence in it. Imagine if you could replace the tension, the fatigue and the stress in your body with strength, relaxation and aliveness. Your body carries great wisdom and a lot of information about who you are. We all have our patterns or our strategies for how we move and hold ourselves. And some of these patterns are helpful. Others are limiting us because our embodiment, our posture, our breathing, our movement influences the way we think, how we feel, and also what we achieve. It also influences how we engage with other people and how they perceive us. When you become more aware of your body and your patterns, you will also have the choice to do something different, something that works better. And that will improve your leadership presence, your performance, and also your physical well-being. Here is a mini practice that you can do right now to feel more comfortable and more aware of your body. First, feel your feet on the floor and your bum on the chair. And then start to wriggle your fingers and your toes a bit. And then inhale and exhale and repeat that a couple of times. And then for whatever activity that you were doing, maybe you were typing, ask yourself, how can I do that activity, that movement, with 5% less effort and 5% more enjoyment or pleasure? Now, make sure to stop a couple of times every day and ask yourself, how could I do the activity I'm doing right now with less effort and more pleasure?